Meta and Google have emerged as the most data-intensive big tech companies in a study examining 171 Apple App Store applications from Meta, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and Apple. Meta ranked highest, with its apps collecting an average of 25 of 35 possible data types, compared with Google at 17, Amazon at 12, Microsoft at 8, and Apple at 7. Welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. The 7 most data-hungry applications were all from Meta. Meta AI collected 33 data types, while Meta Horizon, Meta Business Suite, Meta Ads Manager, Messenger, Forum, and Facebook collected 32 each. Google also demonstrated significant collection across its extensive ecosystem, accounting for 29 of the 40 most data-hungry apps. Amazon Alexa was the highest-ranking non-Meta application, collecting 28 data types. Microsoft and Apple collected considerably fewer data categories overall. Apple covered 15 app categories, yet consistently remained among the least data-intensive developers studied. The findings underline a wider privacy issue. Extensive data collection is not necessarily unavoidable for digital services. As AI becomes more personalized, data minimization, transparency, consent, and privacy by design will increasingly determine consumer trust. Let's look into today's headlines. Former Chief of ISRO S. Somnath appointed to RBI Board. S. Somnath, former chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization, was appointed to the Central Board of the Reserve Bank. Somnath, who retired from ISRO in January 2025, has been appointed as a part-time, non-official director on the Central Board for a period of 4 years with effect from August 20, 2026. The aerospace engineer, who has served the space program in different capacities, was appointed as the Chancellor of the Chanakya University, a liberal arts varsity near Bengaluru, after retiring from ISRO. Watching reels or shorts might lower brain's cognitive control activity. A new study has found that watching short-form videos like Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts for hours may temporarily reduce activity in brain regions involved in attention, self-control, and decision-making. A neural mage study examines 56 young adults to understand how the brain responds while people watch short videos. It used functional magnetic resonance imaging to monitor brain activity and proton magnetic resonance spectroscopy to measure neurotransmitters such as glutamate and GABA. Consumer Affairs Department to investigate alleged defects in Oppo Reno 5 smartphones. India's Apex Consumer Protection Authority is set to investigate complaints alleging manufacturing defects in Oppo's Reno 5 series smartphones, including reports of lines appearing on the device's screens. The Department of Consumer Affairs has been examining complaints submitted through the National Consumer Helpline against smartphones manufactured by Oppo Guangdong Mobile Telecommunications Corp Limited. The proposed inquiry will seek to determine the extent of the reported problem and the number of consumers who may still be using affected devices. OpenAI brings down developer pricing for GPT 5.6 Soul model by more than 20%. OpenAI said on Friday that it is cutting the prices of its Frontier GPT 5.6 Soul model for developers by more than 20% for the next 3 months. This comes as the ChatGPT maker faces growing competition from Anthropic and Chinese AI models. The price cuts are effective on OpenAI's application programming interface and are rolling out across eligible plans for credits on its agentic AI product ChatGPT Work and its coding tool Codex, OpenAI said. Google expands personalization across search, discover, and news. Google is rolling out new ways for users to personalize what they see across search, discover, and Google News. The changes will let users have more control over the sources, topics, and the types of content that appear in their feeds. Google is also expanding options to customize audio news briefings as it looks to make its services more tailored to individual interests. According to Google, the feature is designed to help people find information from sources they already trust or follow. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and follow VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.